My name is Paul Shea. I'm with a company called EsVata Shutters. We're a manufacturer and plantation shutters. We've been around since 2019. Automation is one of the key factors. So we use different technologies, digital stop systems, robotic arms, and other innovative processes to achieve that goal. Sanding is actually one of the most labor-intensive part of our process. EsVata's criteria for choosing a sanding robot was we want consistency in our quality. When we reviewed about 10 or 15 different robotic arms, we came down to a company called FLEXIV. The uniqueness of the FLEXIV robot was that each of their joint had a force sensor that was very precisely controlled to allow for the sanding application and the polishing application that we need. When I first saw them at the trade show, FLEXIV gave me a comfort that I felt like I can talk to somebody, and their engineers were on site. Once I bought the FLEXIV machine, from setting up the system, general on-site service or off-site service has been extremely good. Their software was very easy to program. Combination of software and hardware ability was a big focus for me. For EsVata, the FLEXIV Rizon has helped us transform quite a bit. It has helped us reduce our production times in the sanding process by more than 80%. So that's a huge bump. On top of it, it also helped us reduce material cost. Different employees will use different sandpapers, thickness of sandpapers, and that doesn't give us consistency. With the robot working on it, we can kind of get an idea on how fast the sandpaper gets worn out, so that has helped dramatically. In EsVata's experience with the custom UI that FLEXIV have built for us, it's becoming more and more user-friendly. And the engineers has been very helpful in modifying those, meeting most of the demands that we needed for.
Hi, my name is Gavin. I am a robotic application engineer with FLEXIV Robotics. The FLEXIV Rizon robot fully integrates 7 force torque sensors, one in every single joint. So that allows the force sensing to be fully integrated. That reduces the cost for additional force sensing flanges that would be very expensive and drive up the cost of the system. We chose the on-robot sander with the FLEXIV robotic arm. These sanders are very low vibration, which is ideal for a force control robot because we want to maintain very good contact with the surface.
The friendly lights on the FLEXIV robot provide a warm feeling in a way that the employees don't feel they're like intruded by a very technical, mechanical product. They feel like, oh, it's kind of like just part of the team. Having a robotic arm by his side is not replacing their job, but more so giving them a more advanced tool to be better, to be more efficient at their jobs. It's been a wonderful experience. So I hope they continue their forward thinking, pushing success to multiple customers. Again, I believe it's a great team, a great company. Looking forward to work with them more.